And I'm gonna use the International Delight Creamer. I've had these ones, so I'm gonna try it.
It kind of tastes weird.
Wow, the difference.
You're a ball. They can do it gluten-free.
You put the pickles on your... I don't know. Get it out of here. What are you doing?
Are you excited? Hey, the damage is done. Are leaving. We are leaving.
Oh, I didn't know.
What is this for? 10 cooks for $10. Do you have one?
I mean, you do.
These are quadratini. Here.
What are you doing here, kid?
Piper. Yummy. I got this. Wanted to try it really, really bad. Looks like this. It's mochi. Oh, so cute. Nice little baby formula right here. This is my breast milk. My pills. Here's a cute little puppy. I saw you. You can open your eyes. Oh, I see you. I see you, mommy sees you. I see your eyes, you know. Good morning, everyone. Today is September the 17th. I'm back at home now. We're back at home. I'm so glad we're out of the hospital because that was a very long time. Every step was like nightmare. So right now it's still the mornings. I am going to breast pump. Drake is still sleeping. So his name is Jeremy. He's got his oxygen tube in his nose because we live in a high altitude still. He's still a preemie. I have a lot to inform you guys. It's all worth it. He eats really well, like me. Breakfast? We are on our way to his doctor's appointment. That was a really good appointment. He wasn't fussy at all. The nurses were right. He is a really mellow baby. I am a mellow person too, so. Actually, we both are. Wow, buddy. This looks amazing. Thank you. What do you think, Sarge? Are you having a good day? Are you having a good day? We are back home. Jacob went to Dollar General just to get some cat litter. Fortunately, I can't have too much soy sauce. Looks delish, buddy. Made some steak for dinner.
It's delicious.
Husband approve. Can't wait to eat. Dig in. Wow, someone is a smarticle particle. Already trying to hold his pacifier. Good morning. Update. Today is September 21st. Jeremy over there has his appointment today at 10:30. We're just chilling. It is currently 9:14. I'm going to make some postcards
family postcard for our family. It's getting to be that season. Fall season! Sending postcards to the family. He's going so fast. Ow. Ow. Oh, my hematoma.
Her vagine is like, it got hit by a bat.
It looks like a camel's lip.
Looks like a filet mignon. Looks like I can live in it.
That's rude. Stop by at Wendy's. Haven't been to Wendy's in a hot minute. Oh. Thank you, thank you. Now this is what you don't get in Canada. Look at the size of this comparison to my face. It's a cola. Ooh. The sun is like blinding me. Okay, it's almost 10 o'clock. Wow. And he's taking his feed. You guys can see.
6.5 hours later.
I want this piece!
This cake. Cheers. Cheers. Oh my god. Hi, Anita. It's a video.
No, don't kiss. Don't kiss. It's okay, Lily. You can say hi. Come here.
Hey, everybody away.
You can say hi to the baby. Come say hi.
Micah.
You can say hi to the baby.
Oh, that's so cute.
The baby's right there, okay?
I did see that. That was a good hit.
That was a pretty good. If I do say so myself.
Okay. Hey, there we go. Three swings, Jade. Three swings. Everybody back up. Hold on, don't swing it. Hold on.
We are just leaving McKenna's birthday. Thank goodness it wasn't that wild. Wilding out.